Today we're going to be making dill pickle popcorn. Making dill pickle popcorn today, and to do that we have 3 cups of popcorn kernels, a cup and a half of butter coconut oil, and we're using this Amish country dill pickle popcorn seasoning, and we'll be using about 2/3 of a cup of this. So let's get popping. All right, 1.5 cups butter coconut oil and 3 cups of corn. Just heating up some butter coconut oil and some kernels there. Put the popcorn into a food-safe plastic bag, and now we're gonna add 2/3 of a cup of dill pickle seasoning. Get that all closed up where you can really smell that dill. Oh wow, you can really smell that pickle. That is potent. It smells really good. All right, look at all that seasoning on there. You can see all that dill and other seasoning on there. All right, let's give it a try. Oh wow. That really hits me right in the back of my mouth there. That's really, really good. It tastes just like dill pickle. It has a nice crunch to it and a little bit of saltiness, which is really kind of sets off the whole thing. Really good stuff. So go out there, pick yourself up some of this dill pickle seasoning, and get popping.